somewhere here, then one train to get there. So what we have observed in this stage, there were 6 steps going down. It was around 1.5 meters below. Now much more siltation happened after that also. So in my case, in my view, at least 2 meters these structures are very irreversible. And this continuous, phenomena is happening, that is natural process. One cannot stop this one. Dating material within a time, such stories we can take. Only what happened in 2016 or 17, we did some excavation on the land part. Like this, there was great archaeology which they need to cover and also become associated. So then we can say this was the date of this particular area. And that site is presently occupied by the this has become a private property. Yeah, that is the one issue. Structures have come now. About that one, no. Actually, there are buried structures are there. So even last 1 or 2 years, I have not seen. I have to see it. Whether it's still those things are there.
I don't think so. There is a structure. No, it's private.
Only you feel that it is during the century, 11th century.
Yes.
This has come up.
Yeah, during that time.
The shell that was found.
Yes.
You see that it is before that.
Yes.
About 1400 years have passed.
Yes, at least 1000 years have been passed for these structures. So we have to see how this situation. Okay. This one of the excavation we have done. So here you see 6 steps were being done. Now I see this block is also now sedimentary.
This was the end of this.
No, actually we tried. There are still, but the water was coming. So it was very good. Still more. Yeah, maybe it's more. On this wall was that side, but now it is minimum 1 meter below the sediment.
So according to you, this surface was below.
Yes. It should have
Now
been below. Yes.
has happened about 5 meters.
Yes. At least not 5 meters, 2 meter minimum. 3 meters.
And this keeps on happening like
Yeah,
every
it's continuously happening. So, just we were discussing maybe after 15 years or so, this may also
will
get
go
covered.
buried. Okay, this is a continuous. मागे तज्ञ रस्ते आहे मध्ये.
बुधीबाई रस्ते आहे ना राजबिदीच्या अजून माथ्याच्या रस्ते झाले.
And I was talking to Sir one time from the junction around 500 to 600 meters.
चामुंडेश्वरी
Yes, that can be.
तर तुमची किती स्टडी तुमची किती
सर हांगासर जे आसा पळय स्टडी चडशे मटिरियल फादर कॉटनी आसा पळय तेणे कलेक्ट केल्ले आसा पिलर म्युजियमान आसा आनी आतां हे फक्त हांगासर वॉलूच आसा सो तो नोटिफाय करून आमी फुडें मागीर तेजो प्रिजर्वेशन पॉयंट आसा न्हू आनी गार्बेज सगळी तर परत उदकाच्या वांगडा येता ते काय कंट्रोल करपाक सगळें तें वॉश आवट जाता तेन्ना तो आस्पेक्ट आसा पूण तशें कितें तेजेर वर्कआवट करून दिवंक शकता गार्बेज सगळी डिपॉजीट आसा ते नोटिफाय करपाक सर तशें आमी कॅन कन्सिडर पूण प्रिजर्वेशन पॉयंट ऑफ व्ह्यूवाचेर कोण एक्सपर्ट सर म्हणटालो ओशन एक्सपर्ट
No, because it's just upfront like this. It is every year things are happening. See, this is not a local deposit. It is coming from here. That this garbage. So whatever not that plastic is there, it is coming here because this is a protected area, sheltered area. Everything is coming here. No, what I was talking to see how this sanitation can be started, which I believe may not be possible, but opinion can be, he can give, because my opinion will not matter so much as expert is saying, so that will be more useful for you to take for the decision.
Take the suggestion.
Just guide them what is to be done. This is a natural process which I think legally cannot be
Yes,
stopped.
sir. Yeah, that is also.
Be against the environment again. And how long this goes like?
Actually, sir, from that particular point up to there, 1.2 feet. Oh, quite a long.
I think the trade and all was happening from this side.
Actually, maybe that side, sir.
And this was just a protection wall.
शीप सांगा सर जाताल्यो हय
आमचे ते राजबिदीचे आसा थंयच्यान मागीर पेस्ट टिकेट टू ओल्ड ते अराउंड 8 किलोमीटर्स राजबीद आसा आरबी डायरेक्ट ओल्ड वॉटर
No, sir, वो राजनीति I mean, it may not be required to go old Goa. Even in upfront, your this capital was there.
capital
Goa capital was there. So they will be going just about
Just
a
about
kilometer from here. I mean,
Correct.
this one. So it was just, I mean, you can say Balgadi and all that kind of
Yeah.
things. They will be moving.
there are a lot of trading which was
Yes. If you go and see the inscription, that copper plate, Panjim copper plate, it says it's quite a huge. I mean, they had a trade relation with the northern part of India, especially Gujarat, Maharashtra, and also beyond Sri Lanka and all.
a lot of things were
They used to come. In fact, Goa is mentioned by this Pericles, Ptolemy,
What is the weight now?
this one is say around 1.5 meters.
Anyway, possible. Is there any possibility of getting some remains here on this structure?
This side.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
We excavate. Is there any chance because something should be there, buried under 1 or 2 meters?
yeah, there will be some chances. Because this I remember a couple of years before, sir, there was one line like this. One wall was like this.
Yeah.
It has gone not under, it is almost, I mean, they have taken away those blocks. Because those are,
Every possibility the blocks.
yeah, these blocks can be
Without
used for
understanding.
healing.
suitable areas to be. So that then at least we can start talking. So these are the recommendations.
Our trench is surrounding structures. We had given you permission of ASI, right, for excavation of here. That was for study.
Just for study purpose.
Research.
Yeah. So that is what I suggested here in this one.
आता फुडें करूं मेळटा मागीर आयदर सायड डिटेल करता
last time sir
No,
we
no,
all
but-
faced problem because of some local
No, but I was wanting to detail, you want to expose entire thing. Once if it is exposed entire, again everything will come back. But that has to, segment has to balance in that. So we may expose that, there is no doubt about it. We can do it. But the sediment will be back, there cannot be present as a
for preservation for study. If you excavate and then leave it like that and then continue with the study, then what is to be done after? What are the things permissible here? That we need to find out. You know, such and such things can be done if we can. I mean, it's just a rare. We are not expert here. If this can be blocked here something, and then this is exposed, excavated, and then we can protect. This is one layman's theory. Everybody should believe that wall can come. How can be stopped, and it should not so happen. But with the proper legally, what is possible to stop this is not erosion. This is deposition.
Yes.
So it will get, even if we excavate here, it will get deposited. But for study purpose, if we can temporarily block this side here, and whatever deposits, what is
Huh?
well, if you put up again, it will get underwater.
It will be much more disaster for
Yeah.
environment.
So what existing if it is there, like after searching and all everything, at least existing what is there, we can preserve it like it is disturbed now, totally disturbed. At least we can try to
These can be rearranged. And that can be that structure. No. But whatever these scattered blocks are there, these can
10 वर्षांनी एक साधारण 1 फूट आहे प्लेन.
how we can preserve or at least for the whatever we can do.
because this in the coastal areas, such problem has never come up so far. Whatever forts are there, even the coastal area, they are on the hill after. So preserving those things are much difficult. But this is very unique problem. At least I have not seen this. So it's I don't know, it's challenging task how this.
Which is the agency or authority will guide us in this? What best we can see? We want to explore all possibilities. One thing is research part of it, that what was there earlier, so that we can throw a light that this was a trade which was happening. These were the things after that somebody else took over. All these things should come. And again, if we could preserve this for posterity, that is another thing. So, but while doing that, we will be again blocking the environment. There are environmental hazards if we go for protection. So both the things are there. So balancing both the things, we need to go ahead.
Sir, you talk two aspects. One research part to
Yeah.
understand
What was there?
So for that, to really understand this dynasty or dynasty, you have to work on the land part. Now this preservation part is another aspect which really we need to, oceanographer has to be involved, people from geology section, people will be involved in this one. Really how to be environmentalists will be involved in this one, how these things can be done without disturbing much of surroundings. So, before things are required.
Properly align करून एक part जर कळलं ना how was it earlier, the same way if you can fix it back again and then raise this something, if it is possible to block and put a glass something like that. Hello. असा होते कुसागडला तिथं चालला.
So that people earlier it was suggested to make underwater, but it was not possible. It's just totally mixed. So they are planning to take this submarine, small submarine, to show to the people. That also I told to them that only 3 to 4 months it is to be right. After that, once it really start, and our people cannot see anything.
You have ideas about Dwarka also there.
Yeah, I'm
So you are involved in
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think you are the best person. Then what I was just thinking about, just if we can go down, let us say about 2 meters, and put some glass thing which will not affect. We are not blocking it. It can go as it is. Nothing to be blocked. But as and for another, let us say 100 years, we could walk over a path, a small path, and see the depth, what was there earlier. If there are things to be exposed to the public, or यहाँ से अंदर से अगर हम ग्लास का कोई थिक ग्लास का अगर कुछ लेते हैं, it would be a costly affair, but that's the only thing. We cannot put a bunk here and then expose it and leave it, because that will get again filled up immediately. हम लोग जैसे कैनल बनाते हैं ना,
Kind of sideway canal.
just open it up, then we make a path to walk, and then go and then see and come back. As long as for another 100 years, if we get to see, by the time it will get again
Like
flooded.
inside.
Or getting it into in this passage, blocking in a sense, or just a glass, and we walk through it, so that people would get have feel, and then this entire process will take 100 crores of rupees. But that is the beauty. This, again, we can.
But I do not know that's
This is possible or not. But
that is
see,
good.
Dwarka is altogether different because
No,
it is,
that's what
it
I'm
is
saying. Already
much
I'm
deeper.
saying
much
it is
deeper.
because the seafront, I'm giving example.
If somebody has given a thought to have a museum under sea, then this is very much possible.
See why? And then I told you what they suggested. There is an underwater museum in China, but not in the sea. It is in the dam. Dam one
Yeah.
can make so easily. But seafront it is not possible only because
Tidal
little
waters.
windy is there. Just immediately it will start, and then there is a growth of sediment. I mean, this seaweeds and other things. So the survival of those things. But anyway, that's one your idea is coming, but it has to be discussed with the concerned.
If we can have 3 meters excavation without disturbing the structures along with that, make a small pathway, and then protect
Pathway will be this side. No?
either side. You
other
have
side,
to
before
see.
that.
I mean,
And
It
this
will
is
not
properly
disturb the
organized.
site.
Huh?
That will disturb the site.
This is a raw idea.
no, no, whether it is whatever, not just I'm
Yeah,
thinking of that, because it's 1.5 meter thing. Water is coming from down also. It's, how
Elevation is
so
Yes,
that's
yes. He is the research person. Or the marine scientist.
yeah, this is marine archaeology. He is also one of the heritage committee.
I mean, the heritage policy in Payur getting the site needs to be explored. We are
Heritage person.
this was a major aspect of it. I especially told them that explore all the possibilities that was there. How we can put it as a touristic destination and throw light on our history, civilization.
Kadam dynasty.
काय पहिले ते कदमला I don't think
त्याचे
आणि किती एकत्र आहे?
Sanapurla dynasty. 759 AD or something.
शिलारा डायनास्टी मागे नंतर कधी
बरोबर.
गेलं तरी चालतं.
ना हे कदंबा सेटअप केला कदंबा
म्हणजे पहिले आणि सोड
दोन दिन झाले.
No, लेकिन where you will build? I mean, you will replace some house. So down you have to put something.
Then see, take all the photography and then remove it and build it again. So what was done in Salaulim, construction of Salaulim Dam, there was Shiva temple, and that Shiva temple was demolished, and all those stones they were numbered during the and all that is erected again back.
No, that is one option. That temple was not on the land, and it is very easy, very easy. I mean, transfer. But this is a sea front. See, this structure belong to sea front. This purpose is port. Port means it has to be associated with this one. So, taking out or this one, that itself questionable
purpose,
thing whether
yeah.
the very purpose of seaport. But what happened? No, sir. What is that? These scattered
You can
blocks.
use the heightening.
No, these scattered block can be.
What I'm saying, you excavate it. Temporarily, we will put a bund. This is one option. Excavate it fully. Get the drawings made. How it is there, and then just listen. How we construct this over bridges. You know, similar raise it with the pillars and then put it. For another 1,000 years, if you raise it another 2 meters, for another 1,000 years that will be there. You know, raising it from on the pillars. Pillars are just and then we put this. You know. And in Bitterland, you allow everything to pass on and
But here I will tell you, when we are excavating, we will just say now it is low tide. We will put some trenches. And by the time you go back and morning you are coming, it is level again. So that
temporarily, if we can, we are available today. If we take, let us say, for a month, we take a piece of this and block it temporarily here and get
Piece by piece we have to do. Entirely recomplete.
within 15 days we complete and can move forward and then again raise pillars.
So we have to do the WID.
These are the few things that one is there and there blocking, or some passages after, let us say, 1 meter, the water will pass through. Okay, and then something has to be done.
in any case this is not natural. It is constructed at some point of time. When sediment was about 2 meters. Now imagining that nothing is there, it can be constructed again.
But applying some images, these are the stones which were disturbed by the locals now, about 100 years or 200 years back. Some vertical.
Yes, yes.
Now, if you go a little below, you will find the permanent structures. Now, how
Yes,
it
yes.
is there. So, if we photograph that and then put it and raise it and put it on the top, then you will have that feel that how it was there. Just for the sake of all. Yeah, my sake. I think कशी असतात
हेच समजा मी हायटेड दिले मी आणि 2 मीटर हायटेड
आम्ही जसे त्या पिलराच्या उदक येऊन वतले एनवायरमेंटल कांयच ना परत कोणाक कळना आतां जागृती जाली आज कोणी ट्रक येवन भरून ते चिऱ्याक हाजी पोता विकले जाल्यार पात्रांव रोबोलो
सिरे अजून बरा का
दोन जणांच्या वरपा जायना अशें हांव म्हणटा हांवें काय ते मारले ना ते
ना ना हांगाच
पयलीं मेळटा ही अशी अशी 1.5 मीटर आसतली आनी अशी 1.5 मीटर
अशी 1.5 मीटर
मागीर परत ते 8 मीटर म्हणल्यार कंटिन्युअस आसतलें कितें जाल्यार कितें
हय हे बघ ट्रेडिंग सायकल कितें जातालें वाहतच तांदूळ तांदूळ ट्रेड जाताले मागीर बोटींच्यान मागीर आमचें मीठ आगोर बी आसा
मीठ व्हरताले.
मीठ हय अरबीक कंट्रीज अफ्रिका आनी युरोपियन कंट्री आसा थंय ट्रेड करताले
ट्रक लागता ती वेळेला बरी ऑर्गनायज आसतली हय कोणाक आसतली
कोणाक ऑर्गनायज आसता कोणाक म्हणून स्ट्रीट आसता
हय
आतां पासून हे सारकें कडेन हालोंक ना तेंच्यांनी हे लायल्ले पळय ते हालोंक ना मातशें कितें आसा परत कनेक्टेड आसा फुडें चालू रिपोर्ट केला तो डॉक्टर आल्तेक रिपोर्ट केला महाभारतान आनी रामायणान दोनूय
कशें म्हणजे
गोवा म्हणून गोवापुरी म्हणून गोवापुरी म्हणून ताका गोव म्हणून ताका नांव दिलें गोव म्हणून
हे न्ही तर
हिंदी
फर्स्ट जालें
आतां प्लास्टिकाचे जातात लिमिटेड
हेरिटेज गोल्ड घाण आसताले तांकां यूज करता
शेल्स घेता मरे आनी आर्टिफिशियल पल्स
पल्स करता
पल्सान भितर सीड घालता आनी मागीर ते हातून भितर 2 वर्सां वाडयतात आनी मागीर तो पल
कॉल येता
फक्त कोण तरी करता पल करता
खूब कमी मेळटा
हांव तें पुस्तक बरयता डिटेल जाल्यार घे हें जालें तुजें पब्लिकेशन पयलीं हें कोणाचें
कॉस्मी डॉक्टर फादर कॉस्मी
आमचें दाखयलें
हय दाखयलें
पुस्तकान काडलें तुका आनी एक पुस्तक काड
आनी भितर सरता
इट इज वॉट बजेट तुमच्या कोतान कितें आशिल्लें हें म्हजे कडेन आतां पुस्तकाचे हाजे प्रमाणे आमच्यो गोंयचे ओरिजीन आसा तें 107,000 US $. ताजे नंतर तुमचे आदिवासी ते सगळे जाले हांगसर पयलीं आमचे हाजे भोजा अशे ते सगळे जाले आतकर एक कदंबाचे पयलीं हें सुरू जालें हांगसरल्यान पयलीं हें सगळें हें व्हडलें तुजें वनली पोस्ट हांव तुका सगळो फूल हेंच केल्लें आसा तुका घरांतून लोकांच्या इंटरफीर करपाक कळना बऱ्याच कडेन कडेन आनी एका काम मारुया आय गिव द होल थिंग टोटल कोणे बांदलो तो बांदलो कितले केन्ना केन्ना सो 6th सेंचुरीन सुरू महाभारतान जो उल्लेख आसा हाजो दीस इज द वनली पोर्ट ऑन द सिरी आनी हांगसरल्यान सगळे तरेचे एक्सपोर्ट जाता
हो सगळ्याक हो एकूच पोर्ट आसलो
एकूच पोर्ट वॉज शिरू तातूंत सगळे लागलेले आतां तुका हांव दाखयता घेवन म्हणजे हेका पुस्तक येतलें तुका तें घरा कडेन लगेच विचारलें आसा आतां जर पुस्तकां दुसरें आनी एक पुस्तक मेळ्ळें म्हाका नवें पुस्तक आयलां ओरिजीन ऑफ गोवा पिंटोचें आतां घरा कडेन अशें च्या पावतना हें म्हाका हें फुडें करून पावता
तुमच्याच नियोजक ग्रुपानूच ती व्हायरल जाली आम्ही हाडलें न्ही व्हडलो आसा वयर आसा हाजेर अशें चलत उदक हय अशें हेच्या फाटल्यान लायट पडटली तुम्ही गौर साहब डॉक्टर
just introduce to start with that.
आयज आमचे एक सायट इन्स्पेक्शन आशिल्लें हो एक प्राचीन पोर्ट हांगा विशाखापट्टणम पोर्ट आनी ह्या पोर्टाचो अनाथीक आमदारान विशय हाडिल्लो असेंब्ली भितर की तो प्रोटेक्शनाक घेवचो म्हणून आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी पयलीं एक विजीट मारून पळयल्ली मागीर मंत्र्याक सांगलें आमी मिनिस्टर बाल वचून पळोवया सारकें कितें आसता आनी एनआयओक पयलीं हाजी स्टडी करपाक सांगिल्लें तांचोय रिपोर्ट आमकां हालींच मेळ्ळो आनी ताणें त्या रिपोर्टा बद्दल विस्तारान म्हायती दिल्ली आसा आमकां आनी त्या प्रमाणे आज आमदार आनी मंत्र्यान हांगा विजीट मारून ह्या पोर्टाक पळयल्लें आसा सगळें फुडें कितें आसता तें तांणी सांगचें
पयलू म्हणजे हांव खरंच काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणूं सोदता आमचो मिनिस्टर बाब सुभाष फळदेसायाक ते आर्कोलॉजी मिनिस्टर आसा आनी ते पळय असेंब्लीन विधानसभेन हांवें खूब फावटी हो प्रश्न काडलो की हो जो गोपाकापट्टणम पोर्ट आसा ही हेरिटेज सायट आनी कितलींशीं वर्सां जालीं आयज तुमी पळयता आसतना कंडिशन कितें जाल्ली आसा मात पहिल्यांदा म्हाका तरी दिसता की पहिल्यांदा खंयचो मिनिस्टर आर्कोलॉजी मिनिस्टर ह्या सायटीचेर येयल्लो आसा तेंच्यांनी पळयल्लें आसा प्रेझेंट सिच्युएशन कितें आसा ती आनी हो जो NIAचो जो रिपोर्ट आसा तो घेतलो आसा तशेंच डिपार्टमेंट डायरेक्टर आसा डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिसर्स आसा तशेंच आमचे रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटाचे ऑफिसर्स आसा तशेंच आमचे हेजे आमचो NIAचे ऑफिसर्स आसा तेंच्यांनी हो जो रिपोर्ट आसा तो तयार केल्लो आसा BDOचे आसा आनी बाकीचे सगळे बाकीचे इन कोलॅबोरेशन सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाचे ऑफिसर्स हांगा येयल्ले आसा मेन हेतू जो आसा तो आमची हेरिटेज जी आसा ती प्रोटेक्ट करपाची आनी प्रिजर्व करपाची आतां कितें जाल्लें आसा खूब काळांतल्यान तुमी पळयलां आसतलें सिच्युएशन अशी जाल्ली आसा तो ऑलमोस्ट चडसो जो पोर्शन आसा तो हार्म जाल्लो आसा पिड्ड्यार जाल्लो आसा आयज आमी तेच आतां इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक येयल्ले की खंयची एरिया आमी कशें प्रिजर्व करपाक शकता आतां तितून NIAन थोडे आपणाचें हें दिल्लें की जो टायडल एक्सपर्ट्स आसा तांकां घेवन आमी कशें फुडें वयतले आनी कशें मार्गदर्शन दितले कशें आमी प्रिजर्व करपाक शकतले जावं तेंचो कितें हें आसा म्हणल्यार तेंच्यांनी खुबशे पॉयंट्स काडलेले की ही जी सायट आसा ही पुरातन सायट म्हणल्यार हितून अशें आसा आमी 6th सेंच्युरी अशें आसूं शकता म्हणजे तेच्या पयलूची पासून आसपाक शकता पण तेजो सारको थोरायेन तांकां तितलो हें मेळोंक ना पण खुबशे एक्सपर्ट्सांनी जे पॉयंट आवट केल्ले जावं तेंच्यांनी रिपोर्ट्स बरयल्ले आसा तेजेर खूब कितें बरयल्लें आसा आनी तितून अशेंय आसा की महाभारतान जावं रामायणान पासून हेजो उल्लेख जाल्लो आसा सो इतली ओल्ड हो स्ट्रक्चर आसपाक शकता सो हांगा जो ही जी एंटायर एरिया आसा ती पयलू गोवापुरी म्हणून सिटी आसा आमचो कॅपिटल गोंयचो आसलो पयलूचो प्राचीन काळाचो सो हांगा खुबशे अशे हेरिटेज मॉन्युमेंट्स हेरिटेज सायट्स हांगा आसा हांवें मिनिस्टराक लास्ट टायम पासून तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो की हांगा येवन पळोवचें आनी खंय ना खंय आमकां हे प्रिजर्व करपाची खूब गरज आसा आतांच जेन्ना मिनिस्टर सांगतालो की आतां हेरिटेज पॉलिसी चालू आसा तितून हेजोय आमी आस्पाव जो आसा तो घातलेलो आसा गोपाकापट्टणम पोर्ट आनी हेजेर जो रिसर्च आसा म्हाका दिसता आनीक प्रमाणान जावपाक जाय आनीक हे कसो आमी प्रिजर्व करून दवरितले आनी लोकांक दाखयतले म्हणजे आमचे ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड जे लोक आता ते येवन हांगा खरें म्हटल्यार टुरिजम सायट पासून आमी करपाक शकता पण हेजे खंय ना खंय बाकीचे सक्सेसीव मिटिंग्स जावं सक्सेसीव जे डिपार्टमेंट जावं ASI आसा हांकां पासून बरोवन आमी कितें रिपोर्ट हेजो घेता आनी कशें करपाक शकता इट इज द फ्युचर प्लॅन पण आतां सद्याक तरी प्रिलिमिनरी हांगा येवन डिपार्टमेंटाचे जावं मिनिस्टरान येवन हांगा पळयलें म्हणून तांकां खरेंच म्हटल्यार परत एकदां देव बरें करूं म्हणून सोदता चड वेळ घेना हांव मागता मिनिस्टरा कडेन की तेंच्यांनी आमचो डॉक्टर आसा
Dr. Gaur is from NIO and he is expert and for last 20-30 years he was exploring the possibilities and Haji history. I would request Dr. Gaur to kindly come out with your findings.
I consider this day for this particular site one of the greatest day when highest authority of this government visited this particular site. I think this is the first instance. So we take pride in that one and we are encouraged with that one. Secondly, we have been working in this particular area as early as we worked in 1992 when we found there were many structure in intertidal zone. I think you understand intertidal zone means tide place between high tide and low tide. So there were a structure on other side. So we have recorded them. And we laid down a few, one trench in this particular structure. Over this structure, we found that 6 steps are going down. It is about 1.5 meter in depth from the surface. It was further going down, but this water prevented us to go further down because it is just seafront. So really, this is a very remarkable finding. We have to see how best we can preserve these things. Which our future generation can take a lot of lessons from such things. We had such a glorious past and such an advanced technology where they built the structures along the coastal area. It is not a small achievement, and I'm really thankful to once again to our minister who has really taken keen interest on this particular site, and hope we will come out some better result.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah.
पहिलं म्हणजे हांव आमच्या बरोबर आसात आमचे आमदार ऑनरेबल MLA ते विरेश बोरकरजी, डॉक्टर गौर, डॉक्टर निलेश फळदेसाय, आमच्या आर्कोलॉजी डॉक्टर दाखणकरय आमच्या एक जाणटे आमच्या ह्या भागांतले रहिवासी जे ह्या असल्या विशयां भितर रस घेतात. तशेंच आमच्या आर्कोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटाचे सगळे ऑफिसर्स आसात, सगळे ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, डेप्टी कलेक्टर, मामलेदार, BDOs अँड ऑल द पीपल कन्सर्न. आयज आमी मुद्दाम सायट हें करता कारण आमचे ऑनरेबल MLA परत आनी परत खूब फावटी तांणी ह्या विधानसभेन आवाज काडलेलो आसा. म्हणजे हाका एक फावटी लक्ष दिवपाक जाय. आमची गोंयची हेरिटेज, आमच्या गोंयची हिस्ट्री हाचेर उजवाड घालपा सारकी हांगा स्ट्रक्चर्स आसात वीच हॅज गॉन अंडर हातून भितर. म्हणजे सादारण ते आयज डॉक्टर गौर आणि NIOन स्टडी केले नंतर ते इतले वर्सां स्टडी करता तांणी थोडेशें एक्सकवेशन घेतले 2-3 कडेन टू एक्सप्लोर दी आर्किओलॉजिकल फायंडिंग्स आणि तातूंत भितर तांकां दिसलें की ते 1.5 मीटर डेप्थ गेले कारण वचपाकय कितें जाता आयज सकाळीं खणपाक लागले जर जाय सांजचे टायड येता आनी ते भरून वता. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू कीप इट ओपन अँड अगेन नेक्स्ट डे कंटिन्यू. सो एट अ इन्स्टन्स यू हॅव टू डिग आउट अबाउट 1.5 गेल्या तरी आसतना तांकां स्टेप्स भितर दिसताली. सो इफ यू गो स्टील फर्दर कोणाक खबर ना कितें हाका म्हणजे त्या वेळार कितें आसतालें हे जे एक ट्रेड सेंटर म्हणजे जशें सांगलां आमी 1000 वर्सांच्या पयलीं म्हणजे 11व्या-12व्या शतकान भितर कदंबाचे आशिल्ले, ताच्या नंतर शिलाहार आसतले आनी ताच्या नंतर ताच्या पयलींचे सनापुल्ला आनी ताका गोवापुरी म्हणजे हाचो जो उल्लेख आसा तो महाभारतान पसून मेळटा. म्हणजेच आमी वी आर दी ओल्डेस्ट सिविलायझेशन इन गोवा. एक वटच्यान आमकां दिसता की आमी जेन्ना कावरे पिल्ला त्या भागान भितर वतात तेन्ना आमकां पत्तर शिल्प दिसतात म्हणजे जे प्रिमेटिव्ह जे लोक आदिवासी येवन रावले, न्हंयचे धडेनी रावले आनी ताच्या नंतर तांची ती हें दिसता आमकां आनीक ते आतां युनेस्को सायट जाल्ली आसा म्हणजे प्रिजर्वेशना खातीर. आनी हांगा ताकाच लागून ताच्या नंतरचें सिविलायझेशन आमकां दिसती पडटा. हांगा बरे राजवाडे आसतले, हांगा ट्रेड सेंटर आसतले, हांगा खूब पयसुल्ल्या देशा कडेन ह्या भागाचो संबंद आशिल्लो आणि त्याच्या नंतर इतकी बरी सायट आसा ती इट कॅनॉट बी निग्लेक्टेड. हांगा आयले नंतर कळ्ळें आमकां की जे स्टोन्स आसात ते सादारण ते 1 मीटर सायजीचे स्टोन आसात, जाड स्टोन आसात. त्या वेळार खंयच्यान हाडले, कशें हाडले एक हें आसा. म्हणजेच ह्या भागाक खूब म्हत्व आसा आनी वी हॅव टू एक्सप्लोर इट. आमी तांचेर स्टडी करपाक जाय. आमकां हातून भितर आर्किओलॉजिकल स्टडी किंवा आमचे NIO तांची मदत घेवन सगळे एजन्सीज ज्यो आसात आर्किओलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडियाची मदत घेवपाक जाय आनी हाचे पोनाक कितें आसा कशें आशिल्लें आनी ताचे वयल्यान आमी ह्या भागाचो संबंद खंय खंय आसतालो हें पळोवपाक जाय. दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अ शॉर्ट सायट. This is extending another 8 kilometers and it goes and reaches to Shirdon, हाका खूब फाटेय बी आसात. म्हणजे एक ट्रेड सेंटर म्हणून हे नावापुराक आयिल्लें, गुवापुरी म्हणटा ते नावारुपाक आयिल्लें आनी ताच्या नंतर आमकां खऱ्यांनीच हाजें एक्सप्लोरेशन करपाक जाय विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द एनवायरमेंट बिकॉज आफ्टर 1000 years ऑफ इट्स कन्स्ट्रक्शन इट इज गोवा म्हणजे म्हाका 2-3 मिटर पसून ते भितर आसपाक शकता. सो सिमिलरली फॉर अनादर आनी फुडें वता आसतना ते आनी वतले आनी कांय काळान म्हाका दिसता 100 वर्सांनी हे फातरय दिसचे ना जे डेपोजिशन आनी 100 वर्सां लागची ना. आतां जो कचरो येता तो पळयले जर जाय जाल्यार इट वील गेट बरीड सून. किंवा आतां कचरो खूब जावपाक लागलो आसा आनी हाजेर आमकां दिसता की तो वेस्ट मटेरियल आसा. सो वी हॅव टू टेक सिरियस स्टेप्स टुवर्ड्स प्रिजर्वींग दीस, ब्रिंगींग इट टू लायट आनी एक वर्ल्ड टुरिजम प्लेस आमकां हें करपाक मेळटलो इफ यू प्रिजर्व इट. आनी गोंयचे विशीं गोवा इज नॉट जस्ट म्हणजे हातून न्ही प्रिमेटीव काळान पसून गोंयान भितर सिविलायझेशन कशें आशिल्लें, मानवी वस्ती खूब पयलींच्यान गोंयान भितर आसा हें एक सिद्ध करपाचो हो आसा. आनी आमी केन्नाय तरी महाराष्ट्रान जशें विरेश बाबान सांगलां की महाभारतान भितर ताचो उल्लेख आसा म्हणजेच ते कितले वर्सां पयलीं आसतलें हेंय आमकां पळोवपाक जाय. म्हणून आमी हो संपूर्ण जो परिसर आसा आमी परत एक फावटी एक्सपर्टा कडेन घेतले की आमी हांगा जर ताका आतां प्रोटेक्ट घालो, बंद घालो जाल्यार ते एनवायरमेंट डिस्ट्रक्शन जातलें. वी आर गोईंग अगेन्स्ट एनवायरमेंट. सो वी वर थिंकींग एक्सप्लोरींग डिफरंट कायंड ऑफ एक्सप्लोरेशन्स, डिफरंट कायंड ऑफ प्रिजर्वेशन हे जर अशाच अशे ताजे फोटो घेवन कोणाक वचून एक्सिबिशन करून आमी कितें तरी नवें ताका बांदून काडून प्रोटेक्शन म्हणजे एक वटच्यान बॅलन्स वचपाक जाय एनवायरमेंट विदावट अफेक्टींग एनवायरमेंट एट द सेम टायम जशें भितर स्ट्रक्चर आसा तो जर एलिवेट करपाक मेळटा कशेंय भशेन विदावट म्हणजे परमिसेबल आसा जाल्यार गोंयचे हिस्ट्री आमकां दिसतली दीज आर दी अशें थोड्यांनी पुस्तकांय बरयल्लीं आसा खूब प्राचीन पुस्तकांय हाजेर भितर आसात अशे तरेचे हे स्ट्रक्चर जे पोंदाक आसतले ते तशे एक्सपोज वयर करून करपाक मेळटा जाल्यार आमी तातूंत भितर पळयतले हांव खूब देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमच्या लोकल आमदारान हो विशय सिरियसली घेतलो म्हाका दिसता की गोंय मुक्ती जाले नंतर कोणी जितके लक्ष दिलें ना ताणें विरेश बाबांनी उजवाडाक हाडलें आनी खऱ्यांनीच आमकां हाजेर सिरियसली काम करपाक जाय.
सर पोर्तुगीजाच्या पयलीं ह्या सारखे जे वस्तू आता मेळत न्हू हेरिटेज त्याच्या खातीर सरकारची कितें विशेष तरतूद आसतली?
नाही आता आमी हेरिटेज पॉलिसी करतात हांवें मुद्दाम जावन सांगलें डॉक्टर गौरी आशिल्ले आय आस्क्ड देम टू जस्ट थ्रो लायट ऑन दीस बिकॉज दे हॅव डन in depth study of this and still आता आम्ही स्टडी केला ती only 10%. We have to still progress and we have to find out unearth all those which is there inside आणि तातूंतल्यान आमकां करपाक जाय आणि हेरिटेज पॉलिसीन भितर आमी ताचो आस्पाव घेतला जस्ट मेकिंग अ पॉलिसी will not work. This requires a huge funding also to protect it, to preserve it and to show the Goan history to rest of the world.
आणि विरेश बाबा याच्यासारखे आणि काही असं काय
हय आनी खुबशे आमचे प्राचीन जे काळाचे हेरिटेज स्पॉट्स आसा आमी ऑलरेडी ती लिस्ट जी आसा ती डिपार्टमेंटाकूय दिल्ली आसा मिनिस्टराकूय दिल्ली आसा हांव मिनिस्टरा कडेन आयज येयल्या त्या भशेन रिक्वेस्ट करता की बाकीच्यो आमच्यो ज्यो सायट्स आसा त्योय पळोवच्यो आनी खूब बरें दिसता की आयज हांगा येयले म्हणून तशें बाकीच्यो सायट्स कित्याक हो जो एंटायर जो एरिया आसा आमचो म्हटल्यार म्हाज्या मतदारसंघ सांगेंद्रे मतदारसंघाचो चडसो एरियान हेरिटेज हे खुबशे हे आसा आनी अजून पर्यंत एक्सप्लोर जाल्ले ना खंय ना खंय ते एक्सप्लोर करपाची खूब गरज आसा कितलेशे स्प्रिंग्स आसा पॅलेस आसा थंय पयलुच्या काळांतली केव्स टायप आसा सो हे खंय ना खंय एक्सप्लोर जावपाक जाय आतां शिरदाना सायडीन एक केव आसा सो ती एक्सप्लोर जावपाक जाय पण हें करतले जाल्यार आमकां वन बाय वन स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक काम करचें पडटलें आनी म्हाका दिसता डिपार्टमेंटानूय तेजेर हातभार लावपाक खूब गरज आसा सरकारान जे सीएमानूय म्हाका दिसता हेजेर लक्ष दिवपाक जाय कित्याक तेका फायनान्शियली अप्रुवल जाय पडटलें फायनान्स इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक ते एक्सप्लोर करतले जाल्यार तांकां टीम जाय स्टाफांचे थ्रूच जावचे ना बाकीचे टीमूय जाय पडटले सो हें खंय ना खंय ताका टायम वयतलो पण म्हाका दिसता एकदां जालें म्हणटकच वर्ल्ड क्लास हांगा ट्युरिजमूय जें आसा हेरिटेज ट्युरिजम हें आमी हांगा स्प्रेड करपाक शकतले.
आता एक्झॅक्टली प्लॅन कितें आसा हो रिवायव कसो करपाचो आनी कितें करपाच्या संदर्भात आसा तुमचो?
नो आमी तशे एक्सपर्ट कोण ना हांगा वी हॅव टू हॅव मोर एक्सपर्टायज स्टडीज ऑन दीस आता कितले डेप्थ आसा तें पळय काडला आमी 1.5 मीटर पर्यंत भितर गेल्ले आहात कळ्ळें न्ही हो प्लॅन आसा तो टीम ऑफ एक्सपर्ट वील सीट एंड सो वी हॅव टेकन अ सिरियस नोट ऑफ दीस एंड वी वील आस्क दी आर्किओलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया टू इंटरवीन एंड गिव अस दी मोर एक्सपर्टायज्ड हेल्प हातून भितर वचून कितें करपाक मेळटा जाल्यार
CRZ मातसो इश्यू जातलो पळय दिसता तुमकां CRZ वायलेशनान
पळयता आमी कशें कितें करपाक जाय त्याच खातीर आमकां कांय खबर ना न्ही सो मेकिंग कॉमेंट्स विदाउट नोईंग दी रुल्स आनी हातूंत वॉट इज पॉसिबल वॉट इज नॉट पॉसिबल वॉट आर दी एनवायरमेंटल हेजार्ड्स दॅट वी आर गोईंग टू क्रिएट वायल रिकन्स्ट्रक्टींग इट सो ऑल दॅट हॅज टू बी सीन तातूंत म्हणटा तें बरें आहा की बरोबर आहा की आमी ते रेज करपाक गेले जाल्यार CRZ हे ते सगळें घेवन करपाक जाय बट एट एनी कॉस्ट वी नीड टू एक्सप्लोर the 1,000 years or multiple 1,000 years
6th century
6th century चे
सर फर्दर रिसर्च करपाक लागून तुम्ही खंयच्या एजन्सी वांगडा टायअप बीन करपाचे प्रयत्न करतले सर?
आज आमी पयले फावटी आयिल्ले आसा तितून आयले ना कळ्ळें न्ही आमी आर्किओलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया वीच इज वी कॉल इट एज आवर पॅरंट डिपार्टमेंट वी वील सी फ्रॉम दॅट कळ्ळें न्ही ते कितें सांगता ते करतले डॉक्टर गौर कुड put more light on that what may be of the proceed.
Yeah, that is what sir has said, that we have to do some more research on this particular aspect, and we have to see how at different location we are getting this structure, and then accordingly we have to proceed, we have to make a plan, we have to take really expert advice. It should not also hinder other aspects like environmental and other things, and we have to preserve also because these are our priceless heritage.
I think so we need some more time for this.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.